Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial 0 of Java. This is Vasantvi, and in this video we are going to see how to use the Eclipse IDE, and also we are going to learn some of the prerequisite knowledge that are needed to progress in my tutorial. This is a very fundamental yet important one, so make sure that you give full attention to what I'm trying to talk here for the next 5 to 6 minutes. This is your IDE. So this is the environment which you'll be working on, and you need to know some of the aspects here right now. So this console is where your output will be displayed, and this main workspace is where you will type your code. To run your code, you're going to use this button, and this package explorer is where your all the projects will be kept. So you need to have a project to write a code in your Eclipse environment. You need to create a project, so let's create one. File, new, Java project. Let me name my project as food. I'm using the default JRE compiler and I'm changing to this option. So let me go finish. It's okay, that's not a problem. And here we have our project. So we cannot start coding once we created our project. You need to have a class inside your project to start coding. Let me right click on my project, new class. So let me create my class as chicken burger. Finish. And I have my class created here. This project is nothing but a folder, and this class is nothing but a file. It's simply like a file inside your folder. In Eclipse, we call the folder as project and a file like a class. So you can remember this like that. Now coming to the coding part. In this code, we are going to try to understand how we are going to make a chicken burger. Like I really don't know how to do that, but I'm just saying it for an example. So just bear with this crappy example. So you need two main elements for making your burger. One is the chicken and another is the most important thing, which is the bun. So for those two, you'll have your separate methods to make them, like some recipe. So method bun and method chicken. So in this method, without the bun, your chicken burger is not possible. So bun is the main important thing, and your method chicken is the one which you add to your bun. So when these two combines, your chicken burger is made. Like that, in your program, every Java program will have a main method. Without a main method, no program can run. The first thing your compiler will check in your program is whether you have your main method or not. Then only it will start executing your program. So let's create a main method. This is for real. Public static void main string args. This is the real declaration of your main method in Java. I know there are a lot of words here. You might think that this Java is difficult, but as I said in the last tutorial, like last video, this is not so much complicated. You'll get used to it once you keep going on. So I'm not going to be talking about all these words right now, because if I do so, then this will be the last day you're going to watch my tutorial, because it has a lot of theoretical stuff. The thing which you need to know is this main. This is the main method, which is the most important thing inside your class. You need to have a main method, if not your program will not run. So now let's start coding. Wait, we are not coding here. We are just going to see how these things works. In the next video we will start the coding part. So as I've said, the main part for your chicken burger is bun. So now let's start with the bun. Take two pieces, apply sauce, I know the spelling is wrong, but just bear with me. And also maybe roast them or something. So you have these things. And then finally you have to add your chicken. Chicken is another method, so I'm using this thing. This is your method header, which you'll be using in your method. Void chicken. This is also the real code. This is how you will be declaring your method, and this is the data type, whether your method is going to return something or not. This is your method name, chicken, and this is your method header. So inside the chicken, let's say like queen and roast, and then let's say like add sauce. So this is how your main bun is created, and this is how your chicken is created. And also make sure that you remember this point very clearly. In Java, without the class, nothing is possible. Because you need to have a class in Java, all the lines of code you are going to write should be inside that class. So basically, you will have a class. Inside your class, you will have a lot of methods, and your main method should be there. Without that, the program will not run. Inside your every method, you're going to write your coding lines which will be executing your program. I'm going to be telling you the workflow right now. First, we have a class, so Java is possible. And your compiler will say, where is the main method out of these two? This is the main method. So I'm entering this first. So I'm taking two pieces, applying sauce, I'm roasting it, and then I'm going to add chicken. While chicken is another method, the compiler recognizes that and searches for chicken. Here is the chicken method. It goes inside that and does the work given to it, and then returns to the main statement. So now the bun and the chicken is added, and we are finally getting our chicken burger. This is how the Java program works. You basically have your class, and then you have your method inside your class. You should have your main method, without that the program will not run. And inside the methods you will have your programming lines which will be executed, and then you'll get the desired output what you want. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. That's it for this video. Let me see you in the next video.